confirming the statement of Chaitanya Charitamrita that Guru Krishna Kripa Pai Bhakti Lata Vish. And two things required, Guru and Krishna, to advance in the spiritual realization of Krishna consciousness. So here it is Krishna is pleased in the family of the Pandavas. So Parikshit Maharaj was going to die. Parikshit Maharaj was grandson of Arjuna, and he was also a devotee. So therefore, by the mercy of Krishna, a bona fide spiritual master is sent to Parikshit Maharaj, Guru Krishna. When one is sincere, then Krishna is sitting within everyone. As soon as he sees that here is a sincere soul, is seeking after me. So he manifests himself out externally as spiritual master. The spiritual master is therefore representative of Krishna. Guru Krishna Kripa Pai Bhakti Lata Vish. Two things. Without being representative of Krishna, nobody can become spiritual master. Krishna Shakti Vina Nahe Nama Prachar. Without being empowered by Krishna, nobody can preach, nobody can become spiritual master. So here, Sukadeva Goswami is sent by Krishna on the verge of his death. Guru Krishna Kripa Pai Bhakti. Ei rupe Brahmanda Bhamite Kono Bhagwan Ji. This opportunity is obtained by a very fortunate person, because the living entities are wandering within this universe, packed up from one planet to another, from one species life to another species of life. In this way, he is wandering. He is not fixed up. Today I am American or Indian, tomorrow or next month. I do not know what is going to happen to me. But this body, for good, will be finished. I will never get this body. I will get another body, maybe a demigod's body or a tree's body or a plant's body or an animal's body. I must get another body. So, the living entity is wandering in this way. Bhasansi Jinnani, just like we change our dress from one dress to another. Similarly, we are changing different positions by the influence of Maya. Maya is forcing. Pratidekriyamanani gunaikarman. As soon as I am desiring something, immediately my body is formed. Immediately a particular type of body begins to form. And as soon as I am mature to change my next body, I get according to my desire. Therefore, we should always desire Krishna. Then from this life, the Krishna approaching body or the spiritual body will be formed. The more you become sincere servant of Krishna, the more your body becomes Krishnized, electrified. Therefore, advanced Krishna conscious person is considered to have a spiritual body. The same example as I have given several times, just like iron rod, you put into the fire, it becomes warmer. More it is connected with fire, it becomes warm. And at last it becomes red hot. So that at that time, if that iron is touched to any other thing, it burns. It does not act as iron, it acts as fire. Similarly, by this Krishna consciousness, continuous chanting, you will make your body spiritualized. At that time, wherever you go, wherever you touch, you will be spiritualized. Similarly, the iron without being spiritualized, without being red hot, if you touch, it will not happen. So, every one of us, those who have come to this Krishna consciousness movement, expected to preach in the future and to become spiritual master also in the future. But first of all, you must spiritualize yourself. Otherwise, it is useless. So, Krishna Shakti Vinana, without being red hot, you cannot burn any other thing. Similarly, without being fully spiritualized, you cannot make others spiritualized. Therefore, you have to follow the parampara system. The disciplic succession, as we get the knowledge, as we get the power, as we get the instruction, so we have to follow. That will help me to spiritualize myself. And when you are spiritualized, you'll have to wait for the time. Then, whenever you will preach, the result will be there. So, by the grace of Lord Krishna, Sukadeva Goswami has reached Parikshit Maharaj. Therefore, at the verge of Maharaj Parikshit Day, Sukadeva Goswami was sent to help him in the process of self-realization. Without spiritual master's help, nobody can become self-realized. Our Vaishnava philosophy does not allow that you shall become self-realized by your own endeavor. Just like other schools, they think, Buddha school, that by meditation. I do not know whether in Buddha school the spiritual master is accepted. Guru Krishna Kripaya Vaya Bhakti Lata is. Then Maharaj Parikshit was a devotee of Lord Krishna from his childhood. So he had natural affection for Krishna, and Sukadeva Goswami could understand his devotion to Lord Krishna. Therefore, he welcomed the question about his duty, because the king hinted that worship of Lord Krishna is the ultimate function of every living entity. Sukadeva Goswami welcomed the suggestion and said, because you have raised the question about Krishna, your question is most glorious. The next slok is Varyani Satya Prashna. So Sukadeva Goswami welcomed the prashna, the question about Krishna. Next slide.
Tava kripa hale mor katha shuddha habe shuniha sabara shoka dukha je guchi bhe nachao prabhu nachao se mate ah